Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook dumpling soup or wonton soup. I have about a dozen of dumpling sheet, 500 ml of chicken stock, 5 stalks of Choy Sum, 2 tablespoons of chopped carrot, 1 cup of minced pork, 2 tablespoons of fried shallots for garnishings, and about 2 tablespoons of chopped spring onion, 1/4 teaspoon of tapioca flour, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, few dash of sesame seed oil, 1/2 teaspoon of cooking rice wine, 1/2 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I like to start off with marinate the meat first, and then we can wrap the dumpling and we can make the soup. It's pretty simple, but it requires a few steps just to complete this dish. Okay, I'm going to put the minced pork in here. We're going to pour all the light soy sauce. I'm going to put 1/2 of the pepper. Put all of the tapioca flour. 1/2 of the sesame seed oil. And we're going to put all of the ground carrot. Put in the carrot. So we're going to just marinate them. Alright, so I'm going to wrap a very simple wrapping. We're just going to wet the dumpling around it. And just put a little bit of the meat here. And press just like that, and then I'm going to put it here. Alright, we have about 12-13 pieces of the dumpling or the wonton. So I'm going to cut the vegetable. We're going to cook it just like this, and the stem I'm going to leave it like that. Just remove the tip. So for the vegetable, we have separated just the leaf and the stem, and also just the stem here. So I'm going to quickly go and wash it, and then we can cook it. Alright, I have hot boiling water here. So I'm going to cook the dumpling first, or the wonton first. Put them in the hot boiling water. Once they cook, they should float up. Alright, I cooked them for about 2 minutes, so I'm going to fish them out from the soup now. Put it here. Giant dumpling. I'm going to switch off this water and can go ahead and cook the soup now. Just going to pour in the chicken stock. And I can go ahead and put in the dumpling already, because the dumpling is already cooked. We're going to put in the remaining of the sesame seed oil, put in the salt, and 1/2 of the pepper. We're going to keep 1/2 for garnishing later. So I'm going to put in the Choy Sum, just the stem. That one is it's harder to cook, so I'm just put it in and bring the soup to boil. Once the soup boiled, and then the Choy Sum stem should already be cooked, and I'm going to just cover it. Alright, the soup is boiling, and I'm going to taste it. It's enough taste. So we don't need to add anything. I'm just going to put in the Choy Sum leaf and just give it a couple of stir, and then we can switch off. The Choy Sum vegetable should be cooked by now because it's the hot soup. Once we put it in, we can just leave it about 20 seconds. I'm going to switch it off now. Put in the spring onion. Garnish with the fried shallots. So the soup should have a very nice aroma of the fried shallots and very tasty for the wonton. Wow, the meat inside the dumpling is very tasty, and the soup is very sweet with the fragrance of the fried onions and sweetness from the Choy Sum and also the chicken stock. Lovely. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and remember to subscribe for more of my easy cooking video like this. Thank you and bye bye.